Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to justify text in Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The justify K is important text formatting because it allows for alignment of text on both the left and right margins. This creates a clean and professional look, especially in documents, presentation, and web pages. By using the Justify key, the text is evenly distributed, enhancing readability and visual appeal. It also helps create a sense of structure and organization in the content, making it easier for the reader to follow along. So, how to justify your text in Word? It's very simple. So, first of all, first you have to open our Word document, and in here you can just block on the text that you want to justify. Okay, now you can go to Home section, Home on the ribbon menu, and you can go to paragraph section in here, and you'll find there's like this one, this key. You can just click on that, and here you can justify the text. You can choose you want to justify low or justify height medium or justify height. You can just see choose in here. It's very simple, right? If you don't like high justify, you can just choose on low. But if you don't like the low, you can choose on medium. But by default, your text will be justified here, like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to justify text in Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.